Hello and welcome to the InSource Learning Lab. My name is Kevin Modlin and I'm going to give you a guided tour of what this facility is and how we use it. We have this miniature manufacturing line in our office in Davidson, North Carolina, which is in the Charlotte metro area. Let me push the button to get it started and I'll talk about how we use it. We have three primary purposes for this equipment. We use this for outreach, so about once a month we'll have a school group in here. And it's our intention to spark some passion and some a potential interest in manufacturing as a career. So outreach is the first purpose. The second purpose of the Learning Lab is to improve our training classes. If you come take one of the Wonderware training classes or our other vendor partner training classes in this facility, we try to marry that training class into the physical equipment that we have in here. And then third, our third use for this equipment is as a part of the sales cycle. If you have an interest in one of the Wonderware products, we have this mock manufacturing environment where we can show you what the tool would look like in your world. So our miniature filling line is broken down into three main elements. The first element is called cap processing, next is filling, and then the final part of the machine is packaging and storage. So we'll start the machine with a cap upside down. So the first cap in the magazine here is going to be oriented the wrong way. When that cap gets to this location, this laser sensor will recognize that the cap is oriented the wrong way. This gate will be deployed so that cap is rejected. The next cap's oriented the right direction, so again the sensor will detect that. It will leave the arm in the retracted position and that cap will go on through. That will allow this station to index, and then we'll see the deburring happening for the next cap coming through. The next major element of the production line is the filling area. In this area, bottles are dispatched into the filler based on an order from the manufacturing execution system. Notice that there are two types of bottles. Blue bottles are designed for liquids. Black bottles are designed for solids, in our case popcorn kernels. Under the label of each bottle is an RFID tag. So we use that for two purposes. When the bottle gets dispatched into the filler, the RFID tag is read to verify that we've got the right bottle type. So if you put the bottles in, if you stage them the wrong way, the machine can recognize that and it will stop the filling process. After the bottle is full, we write back to the RFID label the date it was filled, the work order it was filled for, what level it was filled to, and what material it was filled with. That allows us to establish the genealogy of this particular bottle after it makes it into the warehouse. The third major element of our production line is the packaging and storage. In this location, bottles are put into a 6-pack by this arm, and then each 6-pack then is moved into the storage matrix. So we have a 3-axis robot here that's an ASRS, an automated storage and retrieval system, that stores the tray and records where it was put. We track that in our manufacturing execution system as well.